Understanding the Meaning of Penniless, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we are going to delve into the meaning of the word penniless, a term you might have come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in sentences. So, let's get started. The term penniless is an adjective used to describe a person who has no money at all. It is derived from the word penny, which is a unit of currency in many countries. When someone is penniless, it means they are completely out of money and unable to afford even the basic necessities of life. To help you understand better, let's go through some examples of sentences using the word penniless. 1. After losing his job and his home, John found himself penniless and living on the streets. 2. The once wealthy businessman went bankrupt and ended up penniless. 3. Her gambling addiction left her penniless and in debt. In these examples, penniless is used to highlight the severe lack of money that the individuals are experiencing. There are several synonyms for penniless that you can use to enrich your vocabulary. Some of these include impoverished, extremely poor, broke, having completely run out of money, destitute, without the basic necessities of life, indigent, poor, needy. Using these synonyms in different contexts can help you express the idea of being without money in various ways. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope this explanation has helped clarify the meaning of penniless and how it can be used in sentences. Remember, enriching your vocabulary is a vital part of mastering the English language, and understanding words like penniless is a step in the right direction. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and you'll keep improving.